Hello friends, today we discuss about one of the important term regarding enzyme efficiency is specificity constant or catalytic efficiency. Kcat by Km is the specificity constant for an enzyme catalyzed reaction and provides the index of catalytic efficiency of an enzyme at very low concentration of enzyme, that is operating at substrate concentration less than the saturating amount, and it is expressed per mole per second. Therefore, the ratio of kcat by km is used to describe the specificity of the enzyme for competing substrates. In other words, it indicates the preference of an enzyme for a particular substrate from a mixture of substrates. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.